O, kamusta ang Teacher's Day mo, Eme?
Ay, ang sweet naman ng mga estudyante ko. Niregaluhan nila ako ng flowers, ng chocolate at sundot ko lango.
Ako, white flower, chinchanso, at discount voucher sa Ataol. Napaka-thoughtful. Very practical. Very mindful.
Ang bait naman nila. So,
So?
may chismis ka ba?
Eto na nga. Si Aliana.
Siya na naman?
Sinapian. Nangingisay kanina. Parang bulate.
Palagi namang nasasapian yun bago mag-exam.
At wag ka. Ang boyfriend nun tumakbo. Student Council President. Nakita ko ang resume. Consistent escort. Campus crush. 2 years running. At for daddy.
Qualified naman.
Sabi ko sa kanya, ba't ka tatakbo? Mananalo naman daw siya. Hindi wow.
Sana naman pag-isipan ng mga estudyante ang iboboto nila para sa Student Council President.
Oo nga. Sa S si President.
Ay nga pala, manonood ako ng balota sa sinihan. May discount daw ang teachers and students. Oh, sama ka.
Oo naman. Andun yung idol ko. Pinaka-paborito kong aktres sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Si Sasa Girl.
Oh. Putang ina.
Class, when I give readings, you read it. No? When I tell you to recite, you do so. Umayos. Nagka-direction yung klase, di ba? But I expect better performance. As the higher years, alam nila yan. Dumaan sa akin yung mga yan, hindi mga bobo yung mga yan. When you say Ma'am Kabagani, you don't get easy grades. No? You want easy grades? You don't get it here. Not here. Over my dead body. Malinaw?
Yes, ma'am.
I already check your papers. Walang bumagsak. Gonzales, you distribute the papers. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Ma'am Kabagani! Tignan mo yun pang Star Magic yung uniform. Pero kapag pinagsaing mo yan, magtatanong yan kung sinasaksak ba yung rice cooker. Ang inagwaping so. Pero di marunong tumawid yan. Bakit mukha silang pawis na pawis?
Baka bumakod. Cutting yung mga yan.
Tingin mo magbabayad sila ng in-order? Mukha naman.
I feel like hindi.
Curious ako. Kaya nila tumagal ng 7 subjects nang walang aircon. O nga no, tas tayo walang kuryente, walang whiteboard, tapos may quiz pa din. Ang inang yan. Talagang talaga. Iyak yan pag nag-overheat iPhone yan.
So, ayan. This one, ito yung last quarter, no?
Okay po, ma'am.
So, pag in-average, ayan,
73.
short ka ng 2 points. Okay?
Ma'am, baka may ano naman, ma'am. Consideration on.
Iha, what I told you. Anong sinabi ko sa class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ako, taga-sulat lang ako ng
Yes,
ginagawa
ma'am.
ng grades, no? So, hindi ko pwedeng bago-baguhin just because. Diba? Lahat ng mga pinasok nyo, lahat ng mga
Ma'am, kahit
sinulat
lang
nyo,
po.
mga hindi nyo pinasok, mga sinubmit nyo sa akin, total ko lang yan, no?
Pero ma'am, pumasok naman po ako always. Tapos napasa ko po lahat ng requirements. Sige na, ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
Sa Saturday, meron akong meeting with the teachers, no? Dumiretso kayo ng 201 dito sa kabilang building. Ayan. Kayong tatlo. Ito si Gonzales, si Garcia at ikaw. Pumunta kayo, ha? Magpapatas.
Yes! Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Sige na.
I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. Ang ina, parang walang naririnig ah. Te, hiya na lang te, pang-5 kanta ko na. Ay, walang tao. So, walang tao. Tingnan nga natin kung wala talagang tao. So, walang magre-react pag nagbato ko ng bato.
Hoy, patawad nga, di ba?
Tangina niyo, sabi niyo bumalik bukas, di ba? O, asan na?
Tang ina mo, pinatago ka.
Yung parat.
Boy, tingnan mo takot sila dyan. Gago, mas nakakatakot pa ka maglakad sa street natin eh. Doon pwede ka magripuhan.
Te, ketchup lang yan. Dumaan kayo sa amin, mararanasan yung real na dugo.
Mga tulonggis.
Dito na kayo pumila, dali. Dito na. Oh my God. Pila lang naman to ng roller coaster. Makapag-unahan naman to, parang kala nyo pila ng ayuda.
Yaman na, ganyan talaga pag first time. Excited na excited. Core memory na nila yan.
Another. Pak. Oh, selfie. Oh my God, girl. Nasa pila tayo. Why take a million selfie?
Memories over manners daw eh. Ganyan talaga.
I can't breathe. Nag-hyperventilate na ako. Gago, may sumirit na ihip! Ang gano'n dyan! Kuya, saksakin mo na lang ako!
Class, makinig muna. Quiet!
Nanahimik kayo.
O yan, nagalit na yung ma'am nyo. Kanina pa yan sila mamang ingay.
Pag nagsasalita yung teacher ninyo, you listen, ha?
Class, rinig
You listen.
Yes,
Matalino yung teacher ninyo. You listen. Andito din pala napunta lahat ng mga paborito kong estudyante, ah. Gonzales, you're here. Akala ko ba lilipat na kayo, magta-transfer ka na? What happened?
Ma'am, dito na lang daw po muna kami. Next year na lang daw lipat.
If you want to participate to the discussion, you raise your hand. Magtataas ng kamay.
Yes, ma'am.
Para hindi labo-labo. Chismisan ang chismisan, ah. Next year, dadaan pa kayo sa akin, hindi pa ako magre-retire. Ha? Ma'am, gagamitin ko lang yung projector, ha? For my next
sige,
class. Babalik ko ng 3
Okay.
p.m.
Okay po, ma'am. Okay.
Tapos iwan ko na din tong susi sa inyo mamaya, ha?
Okay, ma'am. Copy.
Sige. Sige. May kukunin lang ako.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Ayusin nyo, ah. Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Class, narinig nyo yon.
Be, may call sign na kami. May call sign na kami, be. Tara, be. SM tayo, boring eh.
This is good. Where did you say you got this from?
So, you get underneath the cow,
What?
and like those dangly things underneath the cow, you just squeeze them and milk them and pinch them.
What? Dad, the tooth fairy didn't come last night.
Oh, son, I'm sorry. He's a busy man, though.
Oh, come on, son, don't cry.
No! No! What are you doing?
Hey yo, people get confused by the sound of your voice because it doesn't match how you look. Check.
Oh my god, hi. That looks good.
You want some?
No, that's alright.
Bagong year of torture na naman sa akin. At sa kanila, may mga transferee na Nepo babies galing exclusive school. Dito sila nag-enroll kasi na lifestyle check sila.
This school is so lame. Like, wala tayong magiging connections dito.
Di pa tapos ang first day pero ang dami na nilang reklamo. At dahil gusto nila ng connections, meron akong pinakilala. Kinausap ko si Magdalena, ang kaluluwa sa CR. Magdalena, meet the Nepo babies.
Oh my God. Ba't parang tumatayo yung balahibo ko?
Oh my God.
Yeah, like, oh my God, nakakaloka kasi. Yeah, that's so paldo.
Ano ba sinabi
Parang
na,
mali yung paggamit niya ng word na paldo.
Oh my God! Is that my bag? Tangina na ito, parang peram lang eh. Imamayday ko lang.
Sige, sa'yo muna.
Okay lang. Tayo naman lahat gumastos dyan eh. Oh my God, ang init. Sobrang init, oh my God. Oh my God, nababasa ng pawis yung Prada ko.
At para hindi na kayo mainitan, etong orasyon. Paulanin na.
Oh my God! Umulan! Oh my God, bumabaha! Hindi makakadaan yung Rolls Royce ni Papa.
Sa ganitong baha, isang makina lang ang alam kong kaya makapagsabayan.
Ayun, doon tayo sasakay.
Oh my God, let's go! Let's go! Oh my God!
Oh my God, why do you have so many barya? Everything is digital right now. Yeah, correct.
You should get the black card. Bagay sa outfit mo.
Bayad po. Manong yung aking bank transfer na lang ah. Kuya, yung aking credit card na lang ah.
Ay, wala pong ganun sa iba na lang kayo sumakay.
Hi babe, I'm home.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Just wanted to give you a hug.
No, you know this. We only hug on weekends. We don't touch each other Monday through Friday. You know this. I'm claustrophobic. Don't touch, okay? It's Tuesday.
What? Babe, let's go do something.
Bro, I'm shopping Kalshi right now. Why are you bothering?
You're always on your phone. Can you pay attention to me?
You always want attention. You want attention 24/7. Dude, I just lost because of you. It's all your fault.
I'm hungry. Can we get some food?
Food again? Bro, you're always trying to eat. Like, let's just go to the gym. Here, I have water for you. Just drink on this.
Why don't you go hang out with your friends? Oh, I forgot. I'm your only friend, right? You have no friends. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I don't really want to.
Okay, I'm gonna tell the whole school you're a nerd and a loser.
What?
And I'm gonna tell Natalie not to go to prom with you.
No, okay, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I have a lot of homework
You're so lame now. Fine.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's go.
O conselho do dia é: antes de iniciar um projeto, veja se tem recursos disponíveis.
It's me, bro. Yo, what the fuck? Kyle, what you eat? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing, bro? What? What are you watching? What are you looking at?
Bro, chill out, bro. Oh my fucking god. Yo, where are we going after this?
I don't know, bro.
Wait, where's your what?
Kyle, isn't that your crush?
Yo, oh, it is. It
Dude,
is.
haven't you liked this since like second grade?
Yeah, be quiet though. Be quiet. Don't make it obvious. Don't make it obvious.
Kyle.
Yo, stop. Chicho, stop.
Kyle,
Chicho,
say.
stop.
Kyle, did you just make 10K on Kalshi?
Yes, bro. Be quiet. Stop,
so you don't know
bro.
you made 10K
No,
on
I don't
Kalshi?
care. Be quiet. Don't make it obvious. Bro, come on,
What's your
dude.
name again?
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Yo, shh.
Doon pala sa rooftop natin, meron daw palang chinap-chop doon. Tapos nilagay daw sa sako. Tapos nagmumulto daw doon. Tapos tinanong namin si ma'am. Sabi namin, ma'am, totoo ba yun yung chinap-chop? Tapos sabi ni ma'am, di siya sumagot.
Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot.
Si Bloody Mary
Tanga,
yun.
iba
yun ata.
Sinong Bloody Mary?
Si Bloody Mary yung ano, yung pag sinabi mo 10 beses, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, lalabas daw sa salamin mo, papakita daw sa'yo. Ginawa sa akin ng ate ko yun eh. Pero yung kita ko, filter lang pala ng cellphone. Eto, tingnan nyo to.
Sinunlan sa akin ng pinsan ko tong high school. Dati daw may video daw dito kumakalat. May nakita daw na ulo sa may CR. Tingnan. Ayun o, yun yung ulo. Tingnan mo. Diba? Ulo. Diba? Nakatakot. Totoo daw to.
Tiningnan nila wala ng tao.
Kyle, the girl you're eating dinner with last night, is that your girlfriend?
Yeah.
You guys are dating?
Yeah. She's good looking, huh?
Ugliest fucking
What?
girl I've ever seen.
What?
Bro, no one else is gonna tell you this but me. I'm just trying to be honest with you.
Bro.
Dude, she's lead but ugly.
Bro, we're about to get
You need
married,
no, you
bro.
need to break it off, break it off.
Bro, I got a promotion for $30 an hour. Let's go!
$30 an hour?
Yeah!
You know you're still broke after taxes?
Bro, what?
Dude, I'm just trying to be honest. I'm a real friend. I just want to be honest with you.
God, what the fuck are you wearing? Bro, you look so ugly.
Bro, change that
Bro,
right now.
what?
Don't change, bro. You're ugly, bro. Kyle, are you done?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Hey, do I look skinnier though, bro?
Kyle, you're always fat, bro. No
What?
matter how much you run, you look fat as fuck.
Bro,
Stop
what are
running,
you
bro.
saying?
Let's go, bro. I'm hungry.
You want me to stop working out?
Yes, let's
Bro,
go. I'm
you're
hungry.
fat, bro. Why are you so
What are
mean
you
to
talking-
me?
Bro, I'm just being honest with you.
No, you're
I'm a
not.
real friend.
No, you're being mean for no reason, bro.
Kyle, look over there.
What? What are you doing?
What?
You're grown.
I was trying to tickle you.
Yo, Jason, we're at the vineyard. Do you still want to check it out?
Yeah, sure, whatever. I don't care.
What?
We're already here. Might as well.
What? Yo, Jason, the vineyard's cool, huh?
I mean, it's cool, but do you actually think I'm annoying, Kyle?
Jason, are we still gonna eat after this?
No, bro. Like,
What?
I'm annoying, right?
What?
Like, am I actually annoying to you?
Bro.
I should just go home and be annoying. You could be real and tell me if I'm annoying. 'Cause
Bro.
I'm annoying, right?
Dude.
Yeah, I'm going home.
Yo, I'm sorry, Jason. Did I hurt your feelings earlier?
No, it's okay, Kyle. Like, I was just being sensitive. Am I really annoying, though?
Alright, countries, if it were cold outside, what would you wear? What's cold? I've never heard of it before. Yeah, same. It must be some kind of new word or something. I would probably wear like a winter jacket, maybe some boots, maybe a hat. Okay, so cold. How cold are we talking? Let's just say negative 11 degrees Celsius, which is about like 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, come on. I thought we were talking cold weather. And maybe like a tank top or something?
Dad, the tooth fairy didn't come last night. Oh, son, I'm sorry. He's a busy man, though. Oh, come on, son, don't cry. No! No! What are you doing?
This is good. Where did you say you got this from?
So, you get underneath the cow.
What?
And like those dangly things underneath the cow, you just squeeze them and milk them and pinch them. What?
Sana hindi matawag. Huwag kang titingin kay mom. Hindi na ako mag-cheat sa exam at saka sa boyfriend ko, Lord. Huwag lang ko matawag. Ito na yung karma ko, Lord. Kunyari mahihimatay na lang ako. Actually, hindi nga kunyari eh. Princess. Presentation will tomorrow. Assignment, watch Bar Boys after school. Goodbye, class.
It's me, bro! Yo, what the fuck? Kyle, what did you eat? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing, bro? What? What are you watching? What are you looking at? I wanna
Bro,
see. I
chill
wanna see.
out,
Come
bro.
on, let me see.
Oh my fucking god. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I don't really want to.
Okay, I'm gonna tell the whole school you're a nerd
Wait,
and a
why?
loser.
What?
And I'm gonna tell Natalie not to go to prom with you.
No, okay, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I have a lot of homework
You're so
tonight.
lame now. Fine.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's go.
That looks good.
You want some?
No, that's alright.
Oo, nakaitim siya, lalaki. Sobrang laki na yun, parang ganon, malaki. Tapos may dalang kutsilyo. Tapos ano, nakita namin siya dun sa may iskinita. Hindi gumagalaw. Tapos gumanito yung mata ko. Ganito, gumanito.
Lo, parang sinaniban, lo.
Kinilabutan ako. Alam mo, balahibo ko tumayo, oh. Gaw, parang nakita ko isang beses. Nakita ng kuya ko yun eh. Tapos, kinabukasan may pigsa na siya.
Alam mo, mamaya paniginipan ko pa yun mamayang gabi. Oo, nakita ko din yan sa may kalsado ng isang
Wala ka
araw.
kaya nun. Kaming dalawa lang ni Bating yon. Wala ka nun.